Hello and welcome to Smart 3D Planner. Today, I'm going to show you how to draw a 3D floor plan of your apartment in less than 3 minutes. You start by importing your floor plan as a background image. Now you could easily drag and drop room by room from the library from the right side into your scene. You can scale the rooms by grabbing the walls and dragging them into the correct position. You can then select the appropriate windows and doors from the library and drag them into your scene. Doors and windows can be dragged directly into the wall elements, and you can rotate and mirror them. Once that's done, all that's left is the furniture. Choose between numerous furniture from the living room to the bathroom. When it comes to furniture, there are assemblies that can be positioned directly on the wall, and there is furniture that you have to position freely in the room. All furniture can be rotated and mirrored, so you can decide how you want to furnish it best. Okay, let's drag the last pieces of furniture into our scene and take a look at our finished 3D floor plan. Perfect. I would say we have achieved our goal. Thank you for watching the video. You are welcome to download and try out Smart 3D Planner on our website. I hope you have fun with your first 3D floor plan.